Everyone thinks the best-selling car jump starters are automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Energizer heavy-duty jumper cables. We have the Energizer jumper cables. At around 1997, these heavy-duty 16-foot cables instantly caught my eye. They're perfect if you're looking for something reliable and straightforward for jump-starting your vehicle. Here's why these cables stand out. The 6-gauge thickness means they can carry a lot of power, making them ideal for everything from compact cars to larger SUVs and trucks. The included carrying case is a nice touch, ensuring that you can store them easily in your trunk without the mess. Plus, they remain flexible even in extreme cold, which is a lifesaver when you need them most. Now, here's the honest flaw. Some users mentioned that the clamps can be a bit tricky to maneuver into tight spaces. But honestly, if you're comfortable handling jumper cables at all, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. They really do the job well for most vehicles. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly, reliable option for occasional use. However, if you're looking for something more high-tech, you might want to keep watching.
Product number 2, Gulu GP4000 Jump Starter. We have the Gulu GP4000 Jump Starter. This one is a powerhouse priced around $119.99. If you want something portable that can start not just your car, but even your RV or truck, this is worth a serious look. What caught my attention is its massive 4,000 amps of peak power. It can jumpstart all gas engines and diesel engines up to 10.0 liters in seconds. The quick boost button is a lifesaver for those extremely low battery situations. Plus, it has dual USB ports for charging your devices, which can be incredibly useful during emergencies. However, some users noted that the size can feel a bit bulky compared to traditional jumper cables. But honestly, the convenience and power you get make it worth it. You're getting a lot of features packed into this jump starter. This is perfect for you if you want a portable powerhouse for various vehicles or devices. But if you're just looking for a simple jump starter for a compact car, this might be a bit much. Product number 3, Tower Top Smart Car Battery Charger. The Tower Top 210 25 amp charger is next on the list, priced at $89.99. This one really caught my eye because it's so much more than just a jump starter. It's more like a battery maintenance system. What makes this charger special is its ability to fully automatically detect battery status and charge accordingly. It has 4 adjustable current settings, and with a max charging current of 25A, you can fully charge your battery in under 3.5 hours. This not only saves time, but also helps extend the life of your battery. The 8-stage smart charging ensures that your battery is treated well. One downside is that it may not be the best for those who are only looking for a quick jumpstart solution. The complexity of features can be overwhelming if you just need something simple. However, if you care about keeping your battery in top shape, this is a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you want to maintain your car battery efficiently, but skip this one if you're just looking for an emergency jump starter. Product number 4, Gulu GT6000 Jump Starter. The Gulu GT6000, with a price tag around $119. This jump starter blew me away with its 6,000 AP current. What I love about this device is its 100-watt fast charging capability. You can go from 0% to 100% in just 1.4 hours. And if you're in a rush, it can jumpstart your car in just 7 minutes of charging. It easily handles gas engines up to 12 liters and even diesel engines. Plus, it has a built-in power bank, so you can charge your other devices too. But here's the catch. It does take up a bit more space compared to some smaller models. Some users might find it a little bulky to store. Still, the power and versatility make it an excellent choice for emergencies. This is perfect for you if you want a multifunctional device that can do more than just jumpstart your car. However, if you prefer something ultra-compact, you might want to consider other options.
Product number 5, Noco Boost X GBX55. We have the Noco Boost X GBX55, which retails around $139.95. This jump starter is designed for extreme performance, making it a solid choice if you deal with larger engines. The GBX55 delivers 1750A for gas engines up to 7.5 liters and diesel engines up to 5 liters. It recharges in just 1.2 hours via USB-C and can even provide enough power for a jumpstart in just 5 minutes. It's packed with safety features, ensuring a spark-proof operation, which is crucial when you're under pressure. One thing to note is that some users have pointed out the price is on the higher side, especially compared to simpler jump starters. But honestly, when you consider its performance and safety features, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you need a high-capacity jump starter for larger vehicles or frequent use. But if you're just looking for a quick fix for small cars, there are cheaper options available.
So there you have it. From the budget-friendly Energizer cables to the powerful NOCO Boost X, each option has its strengths and weaknesses. Whether you need something simple for occasional use or a heavy-duty powerhouse for emergencies, there's a jump starter on this list for everyone. Choose wisely, and you'll never be left stranded.